Yeah, Wednesday, 23rd August, up here at the little building. Been watering this grass area. Oh shit, I don't know. Coming up on 3 hours. It ain't running off nowhere, it's just sucking it right in. It's just dry down here. Dry. Anyway, the reason I come up today, put on the second coat of paint on my boundary lined columns and put on the 4-inch reflectors on the first 5 coming back from the street. Got about 1/3 of a gallon of paint left. For anything else I need to paint safety yellow. And while I was doing that, got out a reel tape, REEL, and laid out where my railroad ties are going to go. Come off the first column 20 inches. There's a tie, space 20 inches, tie on down the line. I'm going to need 8 railroad ties. I got 74 at Lowe's. And I was sitting there at my little desk, just resting a bit between tasks. And a little bird came up and landed on the fence. It was a mockingbird. Beak wide open, tongue hanging out. That poor little bird was hot. So, felt bad for the birds. Went down and got a bird bath. It'll take them a few days to get used to it. And that's the window where my desk is. Where the bucket is, there's an outside water spigot. So it's easy enough to get water and keep the bird bath full. Got a little 5-pound bag of seed to entice them to get them over here. I'll save the bag and buy a bird seed by the 50-pound bag for the house. So I'll be able to just refill that bag from the house and keep it inside my chicken coop. But poor old birds, they're suffering too. It ain't gonna rain for at least another 3 weeks, probably 4. You get these clouds, right kind of cloud, just ain't enough of them. Not enough humidity for even pop-up thunderstorms. It's just dry. I bagged up my trash, take it to the house. I'll probably sit up here another 30 minutes. I brought out a 5-gallon bucket and watered my bushes earlier today. So I'll sit there another 30 minutes, keep on watering what's supposed to be a grassy spot. I can see from the first time I watered it last week, I got some green coming back. So grass wasn't dead, it was just dormant. A lot of weed. But I got a lawnmower, so ain't nothing. Anyway, that's all for this one. And hopefully I'll be able to do the railroad ties tomorrow. See how my back holds up. I got my big boy post pounder stage, all the rebar to drive them into the ground. So I'm ready. Just get 8 of those 200-pound railroad ties. Got some donuts too. Anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.